and welcome back to Mirror and Thread. I have a big try on from J.Crew Factrory, which is one of my favorite places, especially for workwear or anything that's a little bit dressier, and they always run amazing sales. So I'm gonna link everything in the video description. If you want a little life update on all things cancer and kids and just all the things going on in life, I'll do a little update at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna jump into the try on part. So one of my favorite things to get at J.Crew Factrory is their dresses, especially this time of year. They have some really gorgeous spring and summer dresses and the quality is just amazing. So this first one is kind of like I don't even know what the print is on this. It's like really fun blue and yellow print. It's almost like a color blocking or like patch kind of look. But they also have this in little girl sizes too, so if you want to match your mini. I always love to match London, so super fun to do that. But this one has tie waist, it's buttoned down all the way down. This is a great workwear dress because it's sleeveless, so you could throw a blazer over it if you needed to dress it up, a cardigan, something like that, or just wear as is. This also makes a really good event dress with a heel. You could even style this with sneakers and do it a little bit more casually too, and I'm in my true size 6 in this. I was thinking this t-shirt dress would be a great 4th of July find, so I tried to add in a couple of little patriotic looking outfits for you because it's already almost time to start thinking about the 4th of July, which is insane to me. But this is like the perfect 4th of July outfit because it's super easy and breezy, and I don't know about you, but where I am around the 4th of July, it is always blazing hot. So if we do like a barbecue or something, I don't really want to be wearing pants or anything with a sleeve on it. I want something that is nice and cool, and this fits the bill for that. You could do like a denim jacket over this if you were going to be inside somewhere you needed a layering piece, but this one is good. It doesn't look like, it's not so patriotic that you couldn't wear it after the fact, obviously, and this is great just with a sandal or sneaker for every day. I'm in the medium in this one. Okay, J.Crew's jeans and shorts can be a little bit hit or miss for me. Sometimes I feel like they just don't fit quite right, but I found a couple pairs of shorts and jeans this time that I'm obsessed with. And this particular tie waist short is like super soft. It's almost like a chambray type of fabric, and there's a ton of stretch to it. So very comfortable. I'm really picky about my denim shorts, and I do not like them to be so stiff that they feel like crunchy and uncomfortable to wear. And these have the perfect amount of stretch to them. I love that they have the little paper bag waist. They come with the denim tie belt that you can do in a knot or do in a bow. You could take that off if you wanted to and do a different belt on them. I also love the dark wash. It's kind of unique for the season, and these run true to size. And then I paired those with the cutest little striped pink top. It's got a little eyelet. Clearly I love a flutter sleeve, kind of like a little flutter sleeve, but it's eyelet detail, and then it is like Henley or button down. This makes a great workwear top as well. Then this pair of white jeans, you guys, I'm also very picky about white jeans. These are a similar fabric makeup to the shorts. They fit so well, and I'm actually in the regular length. I'm 5'3". Typically I buy petite at something like this, but they actually fit perfectly, like super cropped, exactly where I wanted them to fit. And they are nice and thick, really good quality, so they're not see-through at all, and they have that great stretch to them, so they're not tight or uncomfortable to wear. And I love the style of them with the paper bag waist with a little bit of a flare. I think they are so flattering on and just adorable, and this is one of the things that I wish I would have purchased while I was there, and I'll probably go back and get them online later because I'm still thinking about them and all the ways that I could style them. But these are true to size as well. I have my normal size 6, and then the shirt is like a linen blend button down. I love a blue and white stripe, but this comes in lots of plain colors as well, and I'm in the medium in the shirt. Another adorable summer dress option, and this one also has a mini version for if you've got a little girl you like to match with, but this is the cutest lemon print. It's like a pale pink, very simple silhouette with like the flutter sleeve or ruffle sleeve, and then tiered. It does have a zip up on the side, really comfortable to get on and off. It has pockets, and this is true to size. I have my normal size 6. This was another favorite of mine. I just think this pink and white stripe is so sweet and cute and classic. I loved it in the top version. I really love it in the dress version, and this is one that's perfect for dress up or dress down. So you could do this all the way up for workwear with a little pump or a flat. You could do this with a sandal or a sneaker really easily and style it down a bit, but it's got a puff sleeve, and then this is a true drawstring here, so you can pull that tighter and give yourself a little bit of a waist, and then it's got a Henley like button down. But I think this one comes in a couple of other color options, but I think the pink and white is just perfection for summer, and I'm in the medium. Here's another kind of 4th of July inspired outfit, but you could definitely break these apart and wear them separately, not for the 4th also, of course, or do them, I feel like even together, it's not like so patriotic that it's in your face. But the pants, again, the pants were like really on point this time. And like I said, I feel like I've gone in there and tried jeans and pants on before and not been impressed, but this time they were blowing me away. I feel like the little patch pocket, I'm wearing patch pocket jeans right now, so clearly I love this look. The flare is just perfection. I feel like it slims to the leg just perfectly, and this is also a really soft, very comfortable fabric that has some stretch to it. So I had the 6 on in the pants. The shirt runs a little on the big side, and this does come in the chambray. It also comes in a pretty like stripe, and then white, and I think a couple of other plain colors. But this one is the medium, and it's really big on me, so I would maybe size down in this. It's got like square neckline, and it actually does have a zip closure on the side as well. Here's another dress option. This one's a very simple linen blend, just like shift dress. This comes in some plain colors. I really love this stripe. This is the same stripe that chambray top comes in as well. Very simple silhouette, but this is one you can dress up or down, and you could even do like a fun red headband or something and make this work for the 4th as well, and I'm in the 6 in this one. Okay, these two things I don't necessarily love together, but just try and picture them styled a little bit differently. This is what I had. I was kind of getting toward the end of my try on, and these are what I had to try on together, but I love both of the pieces, just not necessarily as an outfit. But the skirt is a really full, like maxi skirt. It's a blue and white stripe. It's got a really pretty scallop detail on the bottom edge, and then it is pull on. And this one runs really big, so I'm in the small, and it is still pretty full. So I would definitely size down in this one, especially since it's pull on. And then I actually do love this little sweater. It's just a very simple like shell. This is a great workwear option. This is in white. I think I would have liked it with the skirt. I just didn't love the tan with it, but I do think this is a really good wardrobe basic. Then one additional little top that I found that I tried back on with those denim shorts that I loved is this pink top, because the pattern on this and the color is so cute and fun, and they also have the same pattern in a dress, so I will link that for you too. But this one's a great workwear top. So this is so cute with like a white jean or a slack or a skirt. Lots of different things you can do with this, but I just thought the color and the pattern were so fun. It's true to size. I have my normal size medium. So that's a wrap on all things J.Crew. So I will put all of the links in the video description, and you can catch those there. Appreciate it so much when you guys use our links, because that is how we support our business. But I'm just gonna give you just a touch of an update on life. So I try to like do updates on my Instagram stories pretty frequently, but I don't always think about doing them here. So we've had a crazy couple of weeks. We've had a crazy 2024, honestly, but Owen ended up fracturing his leg, which was like the craziest freak accident. London kicked him in the bath and somehow hit his leg just right, that they thought it wasn't fractured. They couldn't see anything on x-ray. He wasn't using it for a couple weeks, and they were like, I think it actually is a fracture. It's just too small to see on x-ray. So he's been in a huge cast all the way up to his hip for, it's like been over a week and a half now. He gets it off in 2 days, and we are all so very ready for him to get that thing off. He just now kind of got used to it. I feel like the first full week, he was just miserable, hated his life, was very mad that he didn't get to move around. And it was really hectic and awful for all of us. So he is about to get that off. He's finally kind of moving around on it and trying to like kind of like peg legs around and walks on it, which is so sad. And it's just been mayhem. But he gets that off soon, and I will be halfway done with my chemo treatments this week. I can do number 8 this week, and I have 16 total. Still feeling really good for the most part. I have a couple days after each chemo where Maybe I'm a little bit nauseous, but mostly I'm just really tired. Like I need at least one nap, maybe 2 naps in a day, and just feel pretty wiped out. But the rest of the time, I feel pretty normal, and I am so, so grateful for that. Met with my surgeon this week and am looking at doing a full double mastectomy and some sort of reconstruction at the end of October or like mid-October. So I'm trying to kind of wrap my head around all that. It's so much to process and it happens so fast, but I'm just, first of all, very grateful to be here and grateful that there are all these treatment options and grateful that I can continue to work during this, and grateful for you guys for your support and your encouragement, and just grateful for my medical team and all of that, and that I felt pretty good so far. So that's a little life update on us. Hopefully I'll have more good news to share one of these days and it won't just be crazy thing after crazy thing. But thank you all for being here, and I will see you next time.